The British National Space Centre was the United Kingdom's coordinating body for civil space activities from 1985 to 2010. Rather than building rockets itself, the British National Space Centre focused on satellite technology, telecommunications, Earth observation, and space science, working closely with the European Space Agency and industry partners. It helped advance the UK's strength in small satellite, robotics, and climate monitoring, laying the groundwork for the country's modern space sector. In 2010, the British National Space Centre was succeeded by the UK Space Agency, which continues to expand Britain's role in global space exploration. The British National Space Centre remains an important chapter in the UK's journey to space. Thanks for watching.